Hi everyone, and welcome back to Pod Popper's Place. I just wanted to do a real quick little video about the Not Too Shabby Shop's little $8 bundle that you can get once a month. It ships out on the 22nd, I believe. This is February's. There was a post office mix-up, and this little thing went back and forth between North Carolina and Iowa several times before it finally made it to me, thanks to some help from a neighbor who works for the post office. So I wanted to share with you what you get in this little set. It's pretty reasonable. I think the shipping charges are what is a killer, because you pay almost as much in shipping as you do for the set. But they did get a little bent, but that's probably because it did go back and forth so many times before it actually made its way here. So when I get the March one, I'm sure that the paper will be in a little bit better condition. But their paper is so nice. Not Too Shabby has the best paper. It's so thick, and the double-sided and bright colors. So you get 6 pieces of double-sided 6x6 paper. So such fun colors. And then this month there's a cute little sweet surprise drink with a little bunny. So I guess that could be any kind of drink. Typically I would think that that's like hot cocoa or something, but it could be like maybe an ice cream float or something fun, since these are such bright colors for spring. And then it came with some extra little goodies. So this one, it came with, sorry for the noise, these little wooden pieces, which I've used in crafting before, so those are fun. I haven't used them in card making a lot, so that'll be different for me. And then these fun little paper flowers, or actually they're like, I don't know, they might be like, I'm not sure what they're made of. They do feel like paper, but it's not like cardstock paper. So, but those are some pretty colors there. And then these great little bits. These are really pretty iridescent little flat bits, fun for shaker cards or just to glue on, and they're really nice spring colors, blues and greens and yellows and pinks. And so anyway, I just wanted to make a really short video, kind of show you what's in the little $8 bundle, and I will let you know when I get March's what comes in that one. So I don't know, this is my first time receiving it, so I don't know if this is like a typical month or not. So I am interested to get March and see what's in that one. So anyway, if you're interested, go check out Not Too Shabby Shop. They have several different, I think, levels, and I just wanted to try a small one because just to see what was in it and see if I liked it. And it's nice to have something coming in the mail to you, and get that in the mailbox, and have something new to play with. But I didn't want to spend a whole bunch because, you know, it's a monthly thing, and but really cute little stamp, and made in the USA. That's always good. So thanks for watching, and check out Not Too Shabby Shop, and I will be with you next month to see what's in that one. Bye.